Hello everybody, I am Bhagirath Mishra, Assistant Professor from Zoology Department, R. Junjunwala College. I am going to explain you what is Career Project of Extension Unit. So first of all, I would like to explain you that Career Project is related to career of your interest. So what you are supposed to do in this project, first you have to decide a career in which you are interested. Okay, after finalizing that, you can proceed for the work which has to be done in this project of extension unit. Okay, so what is purpose? What is purpose and activities to be carried out in this project of extension unit? Now listen, student is supposed to collect information on career selected by the student. Okay, then after that, what has to be done? Student is supposed to take interviews of two persons which are pursuing same career. Okay, and during the academic year, student is also supposed to prepare 4 charts related to that particular career and a 4 page, that means 8 side booklet or brochure is also required. These have to be submitted, the 4 charts and the 4 page booklet has to be submitted to the extension unit. Okay, and in the report the interview can be mentioned. Then student has to prepare a 5-minute talk on the career which he or she has selected. Then next activity is to arrange an exhibition at school or one's own college and university. So exhibition related to career has to be arranged. So different students who have participated in career project can work in that exhibition. They can present their chart to school children, or if they have organized that exhibition in college or university, then those charts can be explained to the visitors. Okay, then a student who has selected career project is also supposed to participate in the annual festival of department. Okay, annual festival of extension unit. Okay, so the date for the annual festival is declared and decided by Mumbai University, and accordingly students can participate in that annual festival, which is known as Udan festival. Then the last thing which has to be done in career project is to write a project report. Okay, so what has been done by the student throughout the academic year, that has to be mentioned. Okay, so interview of the professionals can be mentioned here. Okay, and other things which will be guided by the teacher under which the student is working. Then after completion of project, what has to be submitted? 4 charts which were prepared by the student, then pamphlet, brochure or booklet which was prepared by the student. So in my previous slides I had told you that it should be 4 page or 8-sided booklet. Okay, a booklet having 8 sides or 4 pages. Then a 5-minute talk. Okay, and then interview schedule of 2 persons interview. So when the interview was taken, okay, which were the questions asked to the professionals, what was the answer given by the professionals. All that can be mentioned here. Then what has to be done with respect to charts? So on chart 1, details of the career can be mentioned. On chart 2, qualifications and skills required for pursuing that career, that can be mentioned here. On chart 3, institutes which are there in our country, okay, for getting training for that particular career, that can be mentioned here. On chart 4, successful personalities in that particular career, their names and their achievements can be mentioned on chart 4. Thank you. So if you have selected career project, then these things have to be done, and further guidance can be taken from the guiding teacher under which the student is working. Thank you again.